question going on in the end spa in Delray Beach at the Marriott. Who would think that Marriott would have the best spa? I mean, the Marriotts are coming up in the world, guys. I don't know what's going on. The other hotels really need to catch up. So we're back for dessert, and I heard that this could be addicting.
That's like crack on a plate.
Crack on a plate. Well,
It really is.
I'm going to try a taste of, what is this called?
This is our churros. This is a homemade Mexican donut that we make in-house. We make them to order, so usually they're like a little late to the table, so if you're going to order them, be just patient because we want them to get perfect as they come out. It's served with vanilla ice cream, great caramel sauce, chocolate sauce, and cinnamon sugar.
That is amazing. You gotta dig in. He's having dessert with me. I love it.
I went spinning for an hour today, and now I'm
Yay! That's awesome. So the churros is one of your desserts. Tell us about some of your other desserts. Do you have flan or is that more sponge?
We have flan. We do something that's a little untraditional with flan. I do a creme marnier cheesecake style flan, which is very high. Used with fresh orange peel, creme marnier. It's very creamy. It still has that traditional topping on it.
I'm bringing my grandma and my mom here because they love. My mother makes really good flan, and my grandma likes anything with liquor.
Oh, then that's it. And if you want to have something that's a little bit more on the fun side, we have a carnival style funnel cake with powdered sugar all over it, and we also have a traditional tres leches cake.
I'm from South Jersey. We have a summer house in Cape Bay. So everybody has funnel cakes in the summer. So this is a place to come for an icy cold drink and a funnel cake.
Absolutely.
It reminds me back of the days when I was little. My mom would give me a couple dollars to go get your funnel cake.
Go to the Jersey Shore, hang out.
Yeah, we play some ski hall and mini golf.
Here you go.
And we'll have to try that this summer. I heard they're opening a putt place in Delray. It's going to be a new golf spot in Delray. So come here and have the funnel cake and then go play some mini golf. It's like the Jersey Shore. But I want to thank Nunzio. Thank you so much for going over all your food and your menu with us. And Rocco, you did a great job. So, you know, even though you weren't here to dance for us, we'll have to come back another time and have you do the, it's a Pee Wee Herman.
Yeah, it's the Pee Wee Herman dance.
The Pee Wee Herman